Hey champions, this is Arian Tyson out of St. Louis, Missouri, and I'm just coming back at you to shoot a quick video. It's been a very productive day for me. I just love Saturdays. I love being able to get out and about. I've already got a lot of stuff done. I had a chance to get to the barber shop. I had a chance to get a great workout in that was about an hour and a half long. Now I'm about to, take my car and get a much needed car wash on this beautiful Saturday afternoon here in the STL. But I want to ask you something. I've often heard the statement that no weapon formed against me shall prosper. So with that, I have a question. Are you ready to prosper? And let me be clear. There are too many people that are living right now in a state of survival mode. Survival mode will keep you broke. Survival mode will keep you in bondage, and it will keep you dependent on other people. But I want to encourage you and let you know that you are equipped and you have access to be equipped. If you're not already equipped, you have access, have an opportunity to gain access to being equipped with the tools that you need to be successful. Whether you have your own business or whether you are looking to branch out and do something new. You have to be willing to think outside of the box. You have to be willing to understand that you deserve to prosper. You deserve to be successful in whatever endeavor that you decide to do. But with that, you have to let go of some things. You have to be willing to make some tough decisions. You have to be willing to be honest with yourself, be honest with your bank account, be honest with the people that, and really take a long look at the people who really mean you some good. Because there are some people that, you can consider trash in your life that you're just going to have to take out. You're going to have to learn how to take out the trash. And some people just don't understand the importance of taking out trash, because it allows you to keep the clutter from around you. It allows you to keep the negativity away from you. And if you're someone who is sick and tired of going through the same mundane, boring thing and want something more out of life because you deserve it, you know that your bank account deserves it, that your family deserves it, then I challenge you to connect with me. I challenge you to lock arms with me. I challenge you to reach out to me, because there is a game plan in place, and there is a community that I'm connected to that will help you get where you want to get. But you have to be willing to put in the work. This is not a babysitting service. This is not where we will hold your hand, so to speak, because you are an adult. You are an adult. If you want somebody to hold your hand, get a job. This is a business. And we are in the business of saving people's lives and letting them know that there is a better way to become successful, to be successful, to live the life that you deserve to live a life with purpose, and not just going to punch somebody's time clock where you basically get, trading hours for dollars, and literally hours for dollars. But last I checked, I was worth more than just dollars, than just measly dollars. And that's why I made a decision to go after what I want, part-time, because the transition is occurring. It's already in place. And if you're ready to make that transition from survival mode to thriving mode, from lack to being prosperous, click the link below the video and join the team, because you're not going to be in this alone. And we're ready to welcome you with open arms, but you got to make the decision. Click that link below. We'll see you on the other side. Peace.